guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I am going to teach you to change your date of birth of Roblox account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your Roblox account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Roblox app. Here we go. At the bottom, you can see different options. Tap on that three dot option. Here I go. Now go to settings. Now tap on account info, which is given as the first option. Now you can choose your birth date, month and year here. If you are done, you can go back. Tap on that top left corner on that icon. Now again tap on account info. You can see that your birth date has been updated. In this way, you can easily change your date of birth in Roblox account. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.